Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आणि आयचो मुद्दो जो आसा जे काल हायकोर्टाचो जो जजमेंट आयलो ऑफ पंचायत इलेक्शन्स, I think Honorable High Court has exposed the state government of Goa that how they have failed and how they have failed the OBC people of Goa also. एक रिट पिटिशन फायल केल्ले OBC लीडर श्री विकास कृष्णराव गवळी आणि ताजो जजमेंट आयिल्लो 4 मार्च 2021 की OBC रिजर्वेशन जावचे विथ ट्रिपल टेस्ट. आता ह्या जजमेंटाक मोर देन 1 वर्स जालें तरी हो सरकार OBC रिजर्वेशनाचेर कांयच चालू करना. एंड इन दॅट रिट पिटिशन एफिडेविट ऑफ स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट इट इज व्हेरी सरप्रायझिंग की 25 तारखेक स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा की आतां पोस्टपोनमेंट जाय कित्याक पावस येता म्हण. एंड आय विल जस्ट रीड वन statement of their submission actually of state government. Para 62 reads, the director of Panchayat and ex officio joint secretary to the government of Goa goes to the extent of submitting that, quote, on account of the rains there are chances of paper being spoiled or the ink being smudged etc when the voter handles the ballot paper while voting in the election.